ಸಾದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ರೇ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ನಿ ಗ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ಮ ದ ದ ದ ದ ಗ ರಿ ಟಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ಸಾಧ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ಸಾ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಮದ ಗಮದ ದಸ ಮದ ಗಮ ರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಸರಿ ದಸ ಮದ ಗಮದ ದಸ ಮದ ಗಮ ರಿ ಗ ಸರಿ ಗ ರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮದ ಸಾ ದಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸ ರಿ ಗಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ರಿ ಗಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸದ ನಿದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ದಾಮ ಸದ ಗರಿ ನಿದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮಗ ದಮ ಸದ ಗರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ನಿ ಸ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಸಾ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮದ ಗರಿ ಸಾ ಗರಿ ಬಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಬದ ಧನಿ ಮದ ಮ ಗಮದ ಸರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗರಿ ಬಾಮ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ಬದ ಧನಿ ಮದ ಮ ಗಮದ ಸರಿ ಸಾ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ದ ದ ದ ಸನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಪ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಗಮದ ಸರಿ ಸಾ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ದ ದ ದ ಸನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಪ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಗ ಮ ದ ಸರಿ ಸಾ ಸ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ದ ದ ದ ದ ಸನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಪ ಪ ಪ ನಿ ದ ಬ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಮ ದ ದ ಸ ರಿ sa 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 ga ri sa ni da 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 sa ni da ba ma ba 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 ni da ba ma ga ma da sa ri sa 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 ga ri sa ni da 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 sa ni da ba ma ba 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 ni da ba ma ga ma da sa ri sa ni da sa ga ri sa sa ni da ni da ba ga ri sa ni da ni da ba da ba ma sa ni da ba ma ga ma da sa da ga ri ga ma da sa ri sa da ma ga ri sa da sa ri ga ma da ga ri sa da ma ga ri sa da sa ri ga ma da ga ri sa da ma ga ri sa da sa ri ga ma da ga ri sa
The next item is the Padavarnam. The Varnam reveals the virtues of Lord Vishnu in his ninth avatara as Krishna, the Dark Lord, who has come to save this universe from its decay and destruction. We meditate upon him, calling him the beloved of Gokula, a land of cowherds. While a Varnam combines the richness and brilliance of footwork and expressive elements, this Varnam is a miniature Krishna narrative that elaborates on various escapades of this little prankster. We are swept off by his various pranks, including eating butter, stealing butter, eating mud, revealing the three worlds in his mouth, dancing upon the hoods of Kalinga, Rasakrida, the Karna, his uncle Vadha, marriage to Rukmini, Kuchela's friendship, and Draupadi's Manarakshana. Ninne Nera Nammi Nanura, Krishna. Okay. Before we continue on with the Sancharis, I'd like to introduce the artists for the evening. Our brilliant accompanists, the four of them, deserve special mention. Sri Vasudevan Kesavalu on the Nattuvangam. He is a highly esteemed and accomplished Mridangam artist who has decades of experience as a Nattuvangam artist, both as a disciple and a conductor for the great Padma Bhushan Srimati Alarmelvalli and several other artists. He has innumerable titles and recognitions, and Tamil Nadu government conferred upon him the Vadya Kalaimani title. Personally, I have witnessed his brilliant accomplishments, his guidance as our distinguished Nattuvanar for the past 15 years or so at Sri Kripa Dance Foundation, conducting for Arangetrams and Margams and giving expert classes on Nattuvangam. Welcoming you, Vasu, with folded hands. You may see that we have a vocalist who is new. I'll explain later. Sri Shiva Prasad. It's a miracle that he came to us, is our vocalist for this evening. Sri Shiva Prasad, an accomplished Carnatic vocalist, composer, teacher, music director, a wonderful human being with nearly 4 decades of experience in Indian classical music and dance. Born into an illustrious family of musicians and Kathakali artists in Sri Krishnapuram, Kerala, Sri Shiva Prasad was trained in Carnatic vocal music under Sri K. Krishnan in the traditional Guru Shishya Parampara. Over the years, he has served as a lead vocalist for countless Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, Kuchipudi and Kathakali performances and Arangetrams. We are indeed privileged to have him with us. Welcome Sri Shiva Prasad with humble heart, folded hands. Our own G.R. Sendil Kumar. Sendil Kumar is a disciple of his own father, Sri G. Ramamurthy. He has accompanied several dance and music artists for decades and won world-class recognitions. His rhythmic and sensitive accompaniments have been appreciated by stalwarts such as Padma Bhushan, Umayalpuram, K. Sivaraman, and then Dr. Padma Subramaniam, and many more. He has been with Sri Kripa for more than a decade, and we welcome him again with folded hands. With his depth of experience, refined percussion skills, and deep understanding of dance, Sri Sendil Kumar brings forth both energy and elegance to every performance. Welcoming you, Sendil, with folded hands. Our own Sri Ganesh Kumar is a proud disciple of the renowned violin maestro, Sangeeta Kalanidhi, none other than Kalaimamani Kumari K. Kanyakumari. He holds a master's degree in music and has also pursued advanced doctoral research in the field of music. He's an A-grade artist, which is not easy, of All India Radio. He holds the distinguished position of Asthana Vidwan of Sri Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. Together with his younger brother, Sri S. Dinesh Kumar, he performs widely as the celebrated Tirumarigal brothers, presenting violin duet concerts in India and abroad. For more than a decade, Sri Ganesh Kumar has been our guest, has accompanied us in many arangetrams, and we welcome him once again with folded hands. One small note to all of you, that please stay at the end of the program concert today. We would like to acknowledge two very special people, people who have lost their wonderful, wonderful, wonderful family in the last just within a week. And it has been quite a tumultuous week. However, we stand here and cry out, Excelsior. We will perform and we will carry on and march on. At the end of today, towards the Tilana, just before Tilana, we'll observe 2 minutes of silence for these great souls that were with us. Thank you. Now continuing on to the Varnam. As I said, this Varnam is completely a story of Krishna as he stood in the Desh of all the cowherds, the Braj Desh. Ninne nera nammi nanu ra Krishna. The artist expresses and dramatizes events. In the first Sanchari or dramatization,